Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about method overloading. In the previous class we have discussed about what is method and what are the types of methods. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch. Okay. So next, method overloading. Method overloading is nothing but multiple methods having same name but different parameters. So we all know parameters are nothing but inputs to the function. Okay, for example, if we want to perform an addition of two numbers, we need to pass two parameters. If we want to perform the addition of three numbers, we need to pass three parameters. Parameters are nothing but inputs to the function. Okay, so multiple methods having same name but different number of parameters. That type of method is known as, that type of process is known as method overloading. Okay, so method overloading is one of the best way that Java supports polymorphism. One of the ways that support Java polymorphism. So polymorphism is nothing but the ability to have more than one form. Okay. Java supports some OOPS concepts. Those are nothing but object, class, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. So by with the help of method overloading, it supports the polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but ability to have more than one form. So here method is same. The method name is same, but it has different parameters. The ability to have more than one form. Okay. So it can be understand by using one simple example. So a class addition has two methods named add. One method has a parameters int a and b, and one more method contains three parameters. Those are int a, b, c. Therefore, the add method is said to be overloaded. Why? Because we are taking only one method. Okay, so that method name is add. So this add method contain two parameters. One more add method contain three parameters. So the method name is the same, but it contains here two parameters and here three parameters. So this process is known as overloading. So the method is known as method overloaded. Okay, so we can overload a method by using two ways. One is by changing number of arguments, by changing the data type. Okay, so let's see first by changing the number of arguments. Method overloading, changing number of arguments. Arguments are nothing but parameters. Okay, so we have created two methods. First one is add method that performs addition of two numbers. Second method is also add method that performs addition of three numbers. Okay, so let's consider, let's take one example. Yes, so this is the example here. int int is a return type, static is a data type. Okay, add is a method name. Here we are taking, here we took only two variables, so here three variables. So the method is same, but it contain two parameters and it contain three parameters. So here add is known as method overloaded. Okay, so the program execution starts from main method. Okay, so class test overload, this is the class name, main class name. This is the main method. System.out.println adder dot add, adder dot add. So we are calling add method. Okay, and we are passing two parameters. Obviously this method is called. Okay, why? Because it contains two parameters. Okay, so a value is 11, b value is 11, so it will return 22. Okay, that will be printed. Next, system.out.println adder.add 1 2 3. So we are giving three parameters. So obviously this method will be called and it will return 11 plus 11 plus 11 33, like that. Okay, so here method is the same but it contains different number of parameters. That type of method is known as method overloading. So let us execute this program once. Open cmd, next D directory, cd java is a folder, java c, file name is test overload dot java. Okay, next java class name is also test overload. Okay, so we need to consider the class name which contains main function. Okay, main method. So test overload contain main function, so that's why this is the main class. Okay, so it will print 22 and 33. So based on the parameters the method will be called. Okay, so this is known as method overloading by using number of arguments. Okay, so the next one is method overloading changing data type of argument. So here we are not changing the number of arguments, we are changing the data type of argument. So we created two methods that differs in data type. The first add method receives two integer values and the second method receives two float values, means double values, the number which contain precision. So let's take this example. Okay, so same example, the program execution starts from main method. So adder dot add, we are passing integer type variables. So integer is nothing but whole numbers, those are positive numbers or negative numbers. Okay, so obviously this method will be called. Why? Because here a is an integer, b is an integer. Okay, so that's why it will return addition of two numbers. Next, here also it contains two parameters. But if you observe, these two numbers are double data type or float data type. Okay. So this is double A, double B. So based on the data type, it will identify. Why? Because the method name is same, but the data type is different. So based on the data type, it will identify the method and it will call the method. Now it will return the result. So let us execute this program once. Okay, test overload 2.java. Okay, so and after that test overload 2. So 24.9. So that is the answer. Okay, so in this way we can identify the method overloading. We can use the method overloading. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.